You'll be learning how to save a document in CorelDRAW. So let's dive in. On the menu bar, we'll go to File menu. Come to the File menu. Let's assume this is our document we did. We want to save it. So what we will do, we'll come to File on the menu bar. Then we'll save. Can you see the shortcut is Ctrl S? So, well, let me use Ctrl Shift S so that I will show you more because I've already saved the document. So let me save it first. It will load. I will still go back to save as. This will depend on how fast your system is. So this sign, this icon is here. If it is white, the document is not saved. But if it becomes fainted like this, it has become saved. So it's processing in the background. As you can see, the pages are much. It's 339 pages. So I will still save as well. And it has been saving. It remains the background task. It's loading in the background. You see background tasks. It's loading in the background. Here it is. So you make sure that it finished loading before you do any level. So that it will not close. So the process is completed. So let's go to File menu, Save as. Can you see that it is saved? It's become painted. And here it's also faint. Come to the File menu, click on Save As. It will Shift S. So let me escape it. Let me select Ctrl A. Then we'll come to File, Save As. We selected only. Let me name this as saving document. The extension save as type or the extension should be CorelDRAW CDR. Can you see it in others? Well, let me see CDR. You can also save it as PDF. Let me save it as CorelDRAW. So decide to put the name here, copy, or paste the title here if you wish. Category, so you can decide to put the category you want. So this where it matters. So we can change the version. As of now, I'm using Corel 2025, which is the latest version as I speak. The highest version of Corel, which is 2025, version 26. And decide to step it down to the lowest version. Yeah, which is 15. So CorelDRAW has an issue. Has an issue that when you design a high version, you cannot open, except if you design a higher version, except in a higher version, it will not open in a lower version, except to step it down. This is how to step it down. Bring it down to the version you want to open it, which is the lowest, which is 15. Let me give it 15. So choose the destination. I save it in my PC desktop, so you should know the destination it is. So this is the destination it is. So this is the file name, the selected name. So you can save. It will ask you keep editable. If you keep it editable, this is what you should mark. Okay. It will load. Let's finish loading. So that's all about saving. Don't forget to subscribe. You're welcome.